Alright guys, today I was just going to show my 3 watches I've gotten recently, the past week or so. I have 2 more coming in the mail. They're going to be here like January 28th to February something. So yeah, these are the 3 I have now. I'll just go over. This is the one I got first from AliExpress. My friend ordered it from me. It was I think $5 and change. And I really like the band on this one. I want to find some more bands like this so I can swap them to my other watches. But it's like a matte black with like a gray face on there. And this one's just a quartz watch. It's gonna focus. Yeah, but it's just a no name current brand. I like it. It looks good. I don't know. Then the next one I got came in yesterday, and then this one came in today. I didn't really like this one as much, but if I ordered these two, it'd only been like a couple more dollars for free shipping. Whereas if I just bought the one, I would have had to pay shipping. So it's just a couple dollars more. Yeah, it's like fake leather. Both of these are. And they're clear, skeletonized. Mechanical watches, so you have to wind them up. You have to set the time and wind them up. And this one just has regular time. It's not set right now. I've been wearing this one today. Yeah, this is my favorite one so far. As you can see, it's upside down. As you can see, there's a smaller hand on the smaller dial, and that's just another second hand, and then it also has dates. It's not focusing for some reason. Oh well. You can see the dates there on the dial, and you can see them on the other side here. You can see the movement there. How smooth it is compared to a quartz watch. And this one's not really see-through like this one. This one's see-through. And then this one just has all the gears. You can see there. And this one on the underside has all the mechanism. Yeah, so I really like these mechanical watches, and then this one I also like too. But yeah, I have two more like these ones coming. Gold one and another silver one. But yeah, I've been wearing these this past 2 days. Like I said, I want to try to get some bands. I really like the tan bands. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe some canvas bands or something. So I got these from Amazon. Like I said, they were like $15 to $20. I don't remember which was which, but I got free shipping since it was Amazon Prime. I don't have Prime, but you still get free shipping if you go over 35. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say so far. It's not really focusing. I wish it was. See the movement there. So those are my cheap Chinese mechanical watches. Yeah, I have a couple more coming in about a couple weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching.